Hi guys, welcome to this week's Crypto Juice YouTube video where we are going to take a look at XRP again. Before we begin the video, please don't forget to like the video as always, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and there'll be two links in the comment section below. One to our free Telegram group where you can receive daily market updates, and also a link to our website where you can find out more information about us and check out all of the verified results from our premium signals group. So we only looked at XRP a few weeks ago, but I thought it'd be really relevant this week as finally we have some news from the court case against SEC. And the news is that they have, well, it's not conclusive really. They have said that XRP is not a security, which is good news, but they have said that institutional trading of XRP was considered a security. Anyway, this has been interpreted as really bullish, not just for XRP, which saw a massive move, and we'll look at that in a minute, on Thursday, doing I think around like 100% on the day, but also for crypto overall, because there's a lot of other coins that the SEC have, accused of being a security. So this was kind of seen as a bit of a win for crypto overall and sent the markets into a rally, and we saw a new 2023 high. So I'm looking here first of all at the weekly chart for XRP, and it really tells the clearest picture here, and we can see that over more than a year now, we had just been trading in this range that we had been mentioning in previous videos. So it was the lows of the previous range had become the resistance, and really struggling to break out on the weekly chart. So we've seen a strong move up above this now. So really looking for a weekly close, which, with a few hours to go, looks like we will get it above 56 cents. We did move up towards the $1 mark that everybody was talking about. It did fall just short, around 93 cents is what we've seen so far. And we can see actually the exact point of rejection was at the same point as the April 2022 highs here. And, looking at these higher time frames always gives much clearer levels, even when you're trading like intraday. These it's always worth having these levels marked because really clearly we can see why we rejected from that level. And on any continued move up, obviously flipping 93 cents is going to be the key before we do rally up towards over $1 after that. So looking at where we go from here. So obviously, as I said, the key is closing above the 56 cents level. And right now we are kind of in between the top of the move we've seen and a retest of this. So really no real reason for me to take any position right here. And also if we did run the fib levels from the lows in May all the way up to the high that we've seen this week, we can see that around the top of this range here does line up with the key fib level, so the 618. So if we did get a pullback, this would be the sort of area you could look to reposition. So if you're not holding XRP already from the lows and you are looking for a position to hold for the future, for me this would be the first area of interest on a pullback, this level around here, the 54 cents, for like a medium to longer term hold. Alternatively, if we do continue up from here, because obviously we're going to have a lot of liquidity to take here, if this level is flipped at 93 cents and we break strongly above this, very likely that we could flip this resistance into support, and then we could look to take an entry on a pullback back to target over $1. But yeah, for now my area of interest really does remain at around the 55 cents level on a pullback. I haven't sold. I did take some profit on this the other day. I had been holding since the early part of this year, first few weeks of the year, and but I'm still holding more into the future because I think the XRP does perform really well on the next bull run. So obviously this move up has coincided with a drop in Bitcoin dominance, which has been good. We've had a few days of good trading on altcoins as well. I'll just show you quickly the total too, and we can see that this rally that we saw on Thursday, we saw a big move here on the total 2 market cap, but we have had a bearish retest again of the previous support trend line before we have seen another pullback. So, careful trading in altcoins for now, and careful in, taking any position in XRP. Just wait for a clear retest of this previous, the breakout, or a flip of the current resistance before taking any position. So I'd be interested to hear your thoughts. Let me know in the comment section below on whether you're still holding XRP and what you think of it from here on. Hope you found this video useful, guys, and I will see you on the next one.